Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at Dropship.io and I'm going to be giving my honest review so that you can work out whether it's right for you. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything that Dropship.io does and you'll be able to work out whether it's beneficial for your business. So to start with, what is Dropship.io? Dropship.io is a comprehensive platform designed to simplify the dropshipping process for online businesses. It offers a user-friendly interface and a powerful product research tool that provides access to millions of products across various categories. With tools for competitor analysis and sales tracking, Dropship.io aims to provide valuable insights into market trends and competitor strategies. It also offers robust customer support and flexible pricing plans to cater for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce veteran or just starting out, Dropship.io promises to be a one-stop solution for all of your dropshipping needs. So how effective is their product research tool? The product research tool of Dropship.io is quite comprehensive. It allows you to search and filter through millions of products to find potential winning products. This tool goes beyond just being an ordinary product research tool. However, the reviews about its accuracy are mixed. Some users have found it extremely useful and reliable, while others have raised concerns about the accuracy of the data. But it's always a good idea to use multiple sources and tools for product research to ensure you're getting the most accurate and up-to-date information. So what about their competitor analysis tool? The competitor analysis tool of Dropship.io is an amazing tool for finding valuable information about competitors in the dropshipping industry. With its powerful sales tracker and competitive research tools, you'll gain deep insights into competitor strategies, sales performance, and also market analysis. By using the competitor research feature, you can analyze the competitors' online stores and gain a comprehensive understanding of their product offerings, pricing plans, and marketing strategies. This allows you to stay updated with the latest trends, identify profitable products, and also make informed business decisions. So what pricing plans do they offer? They offer 3 pricing plans, and the first one comes in at $29 per month, and that's for the basic plan. Now I'm not going to read out all the things that these plans offer, but I have put it on screen, so feel free to just stop the video and read it if you need. Now after that you have the standard plan, and that's coming in at $49 per month. And then after that you get the premium plan, and that's $79 per month. So we've talked about some of the positives of Dropship.io. What are some of the disadvantages? To start with, there's a lack of supplier information. Unlike other dropshipping platforms, Dropship.io does not provide direct links to supplier pages or indicate the product prices at the supplier level. This can make it more challenging for users to evaluate the credibility and profitability of certain products. And then also the pricing. Some users have found Dropship.io to be a bit on the pricier side. So is it right for you? Whether Dropship.io is right for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances. If you're an online store owner looking for a tool to help you discover potential best-selling products, monitor competitor stores, and gain insights into their revenue, sales, products, apps and more, then Dropship.io could be a great fit for you. However, it's always a good idea to consider your unique business needs, budget, and other factors before making a decision. You might also want to try out a demo or free trial if available to see if the platform meets your expectations. Remember, the best tool is the one that helps you achieve your goals effectively and efficiently. So this has been my video giving an honest review on Dropship.io. Hopefully now that you've watched this video you understand everything that Dropship.io offers and you should be able to work out if it's right for you and your business. I also hope you found this video helpful, so if you did, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.